Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another healthcare work from home job lead. This one is going to be perfect for any of those of you who want to work in the healthcare front desk field, such as receptionist or like a front desk office person that checks patients in when they come in and out, but you want to be sitting at home in your pajamas, not actually having to go into the office and sit in front of patients, then this is for you. The company DermRight Mobile Dermatology is hiring a virtual dermatology medical receptionist. Now, this is full-time for my United States folks only, and they are paying anywhere from $15 to $17 an hour. If you look them up on Indeed, they have 16 reviews with 4.5 stars. So they are a legit company, and it looks like they are a great company to work for. But this position is a remote position working from the comfort and convenience of your own home. So you do have to have your own reliable internet and your own computer to use. They are not going to provide any equipment for you. But if you have a home office set up, they are looking for someone who is in self-starter and independently, and who can work independently, they are looking for someone to receive, answer, and triage all of their inbound calls. You'll respond to general voicemails, texts, and emails. You'll document all actions and interactions, whether they're direct or indirect, affecting a patient in their chart. You'll process all incoming referrals by tracking, acknowledging, and creating a patient chart in the electronic health record, or EHR. You'll coordinate the patient's appointments by contacting them to confirm dates and times that work for them. You'll review and process requests such as medical records request or reportal access, and you'll process and send medical records where they need to go. So you'll just be an all-encompassing office person for this dermatology office. So they are looking for someone who is self-motivated, who has 3 years of medical office experience, someone who has strong computer skills, someone who has 5 years of clerical, customer service, or some kind of administrative experience. If you're able to understand HIPAA laws and guidelines, because you have to work within the laws. They don't require any college degree though, only a high school diploma, but you do have to have great organizational skills, great communication skills, and be a multitasker. Now, one thing to note, it says application questions. It says their hourly rate is firm, so between the $15 and $17 an hour, they will not go outside of that. It says to make sure you can work their hours. Their hours are 8 to 5 Arizona time, and so that would be if you were then in the Eastern time zone at 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So they are wanting you to confirm that you have converted their working hours to your time zone and verify that it works for you. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific you're looking for in the comments, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.